Juxt is an interactive data workbench in the cloud that enables business users to build sophisticated data applications without writing any code. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Juxt workbench. To get a flavor, let's build a quick data import app. This is the design canvas and the available functional modules on the right. We'll import a CSV file that contains golf statistics for about 200 golfers with their earnings from wins. We'll store it in a temporary cache or UserDB. And just to make sure that the data got imported fine, we'll throw an HTML data table to view the data. We'll fill in the details and hit run. As you can see, each block performs a unique function and the wires take the data from one block to the other. Let's take a look at what's imported. And we can see that the data is imported with the golfer's details and the earnings. That's it. The data import is done. Now we're ready to analyze the data. We see here the data flow to predict the average winnings based on the stats. We simply fetch the data from the UserDB that we just imported into and reject the columns that are not relevant, the name of the golfer in this case. Create training set and test set modules, split the data set into a training set to create a model and a test set to test the model we create. We have random forest algorithm here to make the predictions, but you can just as well use others like regressions, decision trees, etc. The predictable here is the average winnings based on the performance stats. When you click on the circle here, you go down to the next layer in the hierarchy. Here we create the model with the training set and using the model, make predictions on each row of the data in the test set. Let's give this a go, hit run. And we see how well the algorithm is done with the actual and predicted average winnings for each of the test entries. Hope that gave you an idea of the ease with which you can build your own data apps. Please stay in touch and let's have some fun with data.